Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue east on US Highway 98, concurrent with southbound US 441 and SR 15 as we enter the city of Pahokee at mile 621. The highway is still a two-lane road with open farm fields on the left as the edge of town begins to appear. Pahokee sits on the southeastern shore of Lake Okeechobee and had an estimated population of 5,609 as of 2024. The median household income was $53,359, and the median value of owner-occupied homes was $152,300. The settlement was first known as East Beach and then Ridgeway Beach. After a 1917 frost spared crops growing along a slightly higher ridge here, more farmers were drawn to the area, and Pahokee was incorporated in March of 1922. Its name comes from Pahokee, a Seminole name for the Everglades meaning grassy waters. That name fits a community shaped by Lake Okeechobee, rich muck soils, and agriculture. State Road 729 branches off to our left as State Market Road. This state highway is about 2.3 miles long and serves as a truck bypass around the eastern side of Pahokee before reconnecting with the main highway corridor. We stay with US-98, US 441, and SR 15 as the surroundings quickly become residential. Rows of tall royal palms now line the highway, giving this part of the drive one of the most distinctive streetscapes we've seen around Lake Okeechobee. Among the buildings along the way is the old Pahokee High School, built in 1928 and added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1996. A little farther along, the Pahokee Water Tower rises above the low skyline. Lake Okeechobee is only a short distance to our right, although the lake itself remains completely out of view. Nearby and off our route, the Pahokee Marina and Campground provides access to the lake for boating, fishing, and camping, along with the Lake Okeechobee Scenic Trail. We now reach the intersection where our three numbered routes turn left onto Lake Avenue. Almost immediately, we come to a signalized intersection with SR 715 to our right as Bacon Point Road. SR 715 begins here and runs south toward Palm Beach County Glades Airport and Belglade, eventually meeting State Road 80. Around us is the compact downtown area of Pahokee, with low-rise commercial and civic buildings close to the street. US-98 continues east, still sharing pavement with US 441 and State Road 15 south as we work our way through town. We now leave the Pahokee city limits, and the map label changes to Fremd Village-Padgett Island. That long hyphenated name isn't a current incorporated town. It comes from a former census-designated place created for the 2000 census when the area around two neighboring Pahokee Housing Authority communities, Fremd Village and Padgett Island, was grouped under one statistical name. The former census-designated place covered about 1.2 square miles and had a population of 2,264 in 2000, but the designation disappeared before the 2010 census. So when Fremd Village-Padgett Island appears on a map, it's essentially a historical statistical label for the area south of Pahokee rather than a separate modern municipality. From here, the homes quickly thin out and the fields take over. This is part of the Everglades Agricultural Area, a vast landscape of rich organic muck soils where sugarcane dominates, along with sweet corn, winter vegetables, sod, and rice. We conclude today's video at mile 629 amid the flat farmland that seems to stretch almost without interruption to the horizon. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.